When you're co-parenting with your former partner, typically, if you agree upon things, there's no issue. The problem comes in when you don't agree on a course of action or steps to take when an important decision needs to be made. Typical protocols that are put into an agreement may include something like sending an email to the other partner and saying, hey, we need to make this important decision with regard to our child because there's this concern. This is what I would like to do. These are the suggestions. And then the other partner will have an opportunity to respond in a certain period of time and say, well, I like this idea, I don't like that idea, or maybe even suggest something completely different, and backing it up with their reasons why this other protocol is a better approach. After going through a few different exchanges, a decision finally needs to be made. So how is that handled? If you cannot agree or reach an agreement together after several exchanges occur, then typically either one of you will be the final decision maker with respect to particular topics, like perhaps one of you be a final decision on education, or the other one will have final decision on medical, or perhaps only one of you will be the final decision maker with respect to any of these important issues, but only after this meaningful discussion happens between the two of you. Another way that it can be handled in some situations is that there may involve a parenting coordinator, where you'll present these different ideas to the parenting coordinator who will help you discuss and figure out how to resolve it. I've also seen some parenting agreements where they defer the decision to the professional. So, for instance, if it's recommended that your child needs a tutor for school, and maybe the two of you have a disagreement over the fact that there should be tutoring or who the tutor should be, you might defer to the teacher that recommended the tutoring in the first place to make the final decision. I don't particularly like that answer because it leaves the decision making to a stranger who's not the parents of the child. However, these are different options, and even with what I'm putting out here on this video, you don't have to follow these rules. You always can come up with your own protocols that's unique and tailored for you and your partner.